All right, Belly, thanks for joining in, sharing all these details. With our viewers, we shift our focus to some news. In the national capital, amidst a severe water crisis in Delhi, residents resort to water tankers for their daily needs in areas of Sanjay Camp, Chillagaon and Chanakyapuri. Long queues form as people await their turn to collect water. The Supreme Court intervened, directed the Upper Yamuna River Board to convene an urgent meeting involving all stakeholders. States they are tasked with submitting meeting minutes and proposed solutions by today. This meeting aims to address the pressing water scarcity issue affecting the national capital, highlighting the crucial and critical need for collaborative efforts and swift action to mitigate the crisis. Meanwhile, the residents have raised their issues. Take a listen to what they have stated.
पानी नहीं आ रहा, देर से आ रहा पानी। ऐसे ही हम लोग का ड्यूटी का टाइम हो जाता है 8 बजे पानी आ जाता है, 9 साढ़े 9 बजे 8 बजे पानी आ जाता है, 7 बजे आ जाता है। दिक्कत हो जाता है खाना उना बनाने का। कोई टाइम टेबल है नहीं, कोई टाइम टेबल है नहीं।
आप कितने बजे से पानी की लाइन में लगे रहते हैं?
पानी हम लोग 6 बजे से लाइन में लगे रहते हैं।
टैंकर कितने बजे आता है?
टैंकर आता है 8:30 बजे, 8 बजे, 7 बजे आता है, कभी आता ही नहीं है।
पानी का एक दिन छोड़ के आता है पानी, और इतना बदबू पानी आता है कि गटर का पानी आता है, पीने के भी लायक नहीं है, ना कपड़े लत्ते धोने के लायक नहीं है। इतना पानी का दिक्कत है। इधर से तो और भी ज्यादा दिक्कत है, कल गांव से आई तो और भी पानी का दिक्कत है, मारा मारी है पानी के लिए।
समय से आ जाता है पानी का?
एक दिन छोड़ के आ रहा है। बोरिंग का भी पानी ढंग से मिलता नहीं है। पहले तो 8 बजे चलता था पानी, और एक बोरिंग चल रहा है, उसमें जो मोटर लगा लिया तो पानी मिलता नहीं है। जिसका मोटर नहीं है तो उसको सोचो खाली, और सुबह टैंकर आ रहा है तो उसमें मारा मारी है।
My colleague Arzu with us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Arzu, the visuals speak for themselves. Our viewers can see those visuals, the water crisis in the national capital. And, of course, we're learning at this point of time that meetings are expected to take place. A proposal is supposed to be delivered by today. If you could take our viewers through all these details and give our viewers an understanding on what exactly is expected to take place to in fact, mitigate this problem.
Well, Sabri, amid the extensive heat, there has been a very, major crisis of water in the national capital, and
Okay, I think there's been we were facing some issue over there, but again, viewers, as I was telling you, those visuals speak for themselves. You can see a long queue over there. People are carrying, their utensils with them. They're carrying a big, and you can see them jumping on top of the tank, literally trying to get as much water as they can. And this is, of course, the reality. These visuals over there on your screens are from the Sanjay Camp in the national capital. And, in fact, my colleague Arzu is back with us on the broadcast. Arzu, what further details can you share with us? We lost you for a bit over there, but give our viewers a better understanding on what exactly is taking place.
As I was telling, the Delhi people have been facing a water crisis in a lot of days, and in fact there has been a politics over the issue. But now, hearing a plea by the Delhi court highlighting the water crisis in the national capital, the Supreme Court has called for an emergency meeting of the Upper Yamuna River Board to be held to deal with the issue, and also a bench of Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra and KV directed the meeting to be held on June 5 and a status report to be submitted to it by June 6. So today marks the important day, as a report will be submitted regarding the meeting that was held yesterday regarding the water crisis taking place in the national capital. All those measures that are being taken to tackle with the water crisis. In fact, Saurabh Bharadwaj, RPC, all the ministers along with the officials held a meeting in the national capital to tackle with the water crisis, and they have released the number 1916, for the people people of the national capital so that they can call at this number to get a water tank. But people have been facing this problem since several years, and they are saying that people come, the leaders come, they ask for the vote, but nothing changes for them. Every year they face this problem when the summers come. So now also we are seeing that at several places in the national capital, people going up in the areas to get a water tank, to get their buckets filled with the water. And they are saying that they are struggling for the buckets of water, and sometimes they don't get a bottle and they go back without any water. So they have a lot of struggle to get such a basic necessity in their life. Yes.
Okay, all right. Arzu, with that, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all these details with our viewers.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.